Stangibelisco here. I am now ready to show you how to download the Arduino software and get the thing going. At least I'm hoping to show you how. This is the first time I've ever done this. In my Google Chrome web browser, I have created a bookmark to the page that I discussed in the previous video, where you're supposed to download the Arduino software. Well, it says access the internet, go to here, and then hit the Windows operating system, Windows installer. Well, I would say it doesn't quite follow the follow what it looks like in the book, but the only place that I can really see where it says Windows is right here. Now, I want to emphasize once again that prior to this point, I did two things. I updated my antivirus software program, my malware program, which will hopefully catch anything as it's downloading if it's rogue software of any kind, or if there's been any tampering with it. And number two, I created a restore point. So here we go, Windows installer. Well, I guess this is it. It says, okay, it's downloading to someplace. Now, as for exactly where it went, I'm going to have to find that and then show it to you in the next video. Now, I'm going to also download this Windows zip file because I don't want to have to come here and do this again. So that is basically the gist of getting started. It says download, and then you're supposed to install the stuff, follow the instructions, and all of that, which I will then do. Well, let's just see what happens if I, well, here we go. It looks like it's going to run it. Well, I agree to this, whatever it is. It says I'm just going to do everything here. And it tells me where it's going to go. You know, you just hit one button after another. It's pretty straightforward here. I'm doing this now as I speak. The computer is actually downloading this thing. It says Arduino set up and all of that. It says connect your, well, that's the next step. It says, first of all, choose the appropriate operating system, blah, 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 blah. Now, once this thing is going, you're supposed to hook the Arduino up to a USB port. So I've got her plugged into the board, the cable plugged into the board. So in she goes. It's the Arduino board itself is now plugged into a USB port. I guess we're going to find out whether the computer knows it's there or not. As you can see, a computer wizard I am not. Well, would you like to install this device? Yes. Well, I don't generally hit always trusted. I just go with it each time. But I want to install this thing now. It says completed. There's Arduino on my desktop. You can't really see it here, but it's there up in the upper left-hand corner. Close. Okay, looks like I'm done with that. So that's that. I guess we're going to find out now exactly how to install the drivers, which is section number 3 in the instruction book. So I'll do that with you next time. Meanwhile, before I do anything further, I am going to scan this computer with my handy-dandy, trusty, updated AVG antivirus program, and I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. It takes practically 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. So I will sign off for now and bring you back here when things are happening a little more quickly. Until next time, so long.